Hello guys, welcome to day 5. So I'm going to show you an example of what flying drones can lead you to, another path you can take, and that's with remote controlled fixed wing aircraft. So if you really love flying stuff around the air, you might want to take a look at this. This is a chuck glider, so you just throw it and it flies. It's made out of dollar store foam board, so this probably cost about $1 or $2. That X-Acto knife, a hot glue gun, and a straight edge, and that's really all you need to make an airplane that flies. I'll show you here. It flies. And then if you want to have a powered aircraft, you can get into bigger and more powered aircraft that of course you need electronics for, like a motor here on the front, some servos to control the control surfaces. But there is a company that really helps you with this. If this is something you're interested with, there's a company called Flite Test, F-L-I-T-E-T-E-S-T. So Flite Test, Flite spelled weird. This is a plane of my own design, and this also made out of foam board, just painted. And this is a plane of their design. They sell you kits, and the kit comes pre-cut, so it's still flat, and you fold it all together and glue it all together. This is one of their more advanced ones, but they've really got good designs, and all their planes fly really well. You will need some electronics like a transmitter or controller, batteries and servos and stuff like that. But if you're really interested in flying stuff through the air, this is a neat way to go. So this one is made by Flite Test, but you still get to build it, which really helps you learn about aerodynamics and about the hobby. And this one was built by me. I wouldn't recommend building your own plane, powered airplane first. You might want to build a chuck glider first or use one of their kits first. But there's a really neat route to go, and so flitetest.com is a good resource you might want to look into. They have a YouTube channel that has very good videos and very interesting. They do crazy funny stuff like drop watermelons out of RC planes and fly battleships, 18-foot long battleships, all made out of foam board that you can buy at the dollar store for, well, $1. Hope you have a good day and enjoy flying your drone, and this is just something you can look into. Bye.